I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute.
Argit, kamusta?
Ayoko na.
May boses ka pa?
Hindi po, naman.
Nalagas?
Hindi. Nakinot lalagas.
Hi, Dwayne.
Alam niyo ba, selection kanina, pinarayan mo ko siya.
Uy, hindi. Uy ka. Nakangiti nga lang ko. Ngiti nga lang.
Go, continue.
Ayun, gusto na ganun.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time.
Hi kayo, ha? Hi. Uy, ang kaya. Hi. Then I also have some water.
Tay? Pwede pa tayo?
Bakit nagbibideo ka? Ay, hindi naman.
Water. Alexi? Bawal. Okay, wag na lang.
In a rush now, I'm still in slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
Annyeong! Pagod na kami. Pagod na kami, guys.
True.
Ano oras na?
I'm hungry.
It's
Ikaw, are you
14.
hungry?
Ano oras na
kayang-
dumating dito?
5:05. Ikaw.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7 hours na kami nababalik.
Are you hungry?
I am hunger. No.
I'm hungry.
Ay, wow. Ang food daw is pandesal with tuna from California with lots of caviar.
Hindi nga.
It's Nadine, guys. Nadine. Nadine, guys. Nadine. Nadine, si Edin. Ay, tawag siya.
Kasi galing sa name niya.
Uy, taray.
Oy, wow, pretty.
Wow, on fleek ang kilay. Di ba
I got my sticker then. Ang cute. Okay, bye. Cute. No. You're so cute, Ella.
Siyempre ako na siya.
And follow back. Okay. Taste that.
Sarah. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Salmon.
Salmon.
It's salmon. Salmon. It's giving
Ano?
It's giving slap toys. got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved, even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.
We're gonna draw a face.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute.
My face.
Lagay na lang po yung name. Then kung ano mo po.
Lalagay ko here.
Lagay mo love yourself.
Come on.
Okay.
Next.
Like cooking, it takes time.
Time is go.
Ayun, like baking, you need, like dough, you need to rest so you can rise.
Stay a minute, another minute.
Like though, you need to rest before you rise. Hi, show one.
Stay a minute.
Oo, tignan mo, napakalaki na rin sa meron din siyang
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Plus up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second.
Vitamins and stickers.
Yay! Stickers.
Ano ba tong vitamins?
Repicon.
Ready for everyone?
Yes.
Wow. So, bathroom break lang. We went out just to take some photos. Tapos videos. Super pretty ng hotel. And then they have like a pool. And then we took photos. Which, insert ka pa lang siguro here.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Meron pa doon. Wow, so pretty. Wow. Pose. Wow, flower arrangement. So pretty. see beautiful.
That's one for myself and for Ate Lexi.
Yeah! This one is for Fifi. Yay! Ang cute kasi after the event, they let us make.
Yeah.
Parang binigay na nila sa amin kasi real flower siya.
Kasi mabubulak din siya, so sayang naman.
Congrats daw for our effort.
Congrats,
Okay, yun na. Bye-bye. Ito yung akin. Bye-bye.
Bye. You're gonna be a semi-core memory. I say semi kasi one day.
Kasi hindi natin mag-TV.
Yeah.
You're so cute.
You know I always up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love. You know I always up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Just stay a minute.
Bye-bye. Bye, Dwayne. Kawaii.
Just stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute.
talaga.
Wag, copyright. Copyright.
Stay a minute, another minute.
KFC. Hindi ba KFC?
Ate, maglalakad na lang tayo. Maglalakad na? Kaya ba? Oh, sure kayo? Walang masakyan, kailangan na lang. Okay. Lapit lang naman, tara. Tara.
I don't know where.
Let's just, follow them. And tara, it's in Columbus already.
Sa may golf course?
I don't know, KFC daw eh.
Hindi, I mean, gusto niyo lang tumawag sa may golf course? Pwede naman.
Pwede naman, tara.
Ay, hintayin pala natin siya.
Yung kaya tapakutang sa ganito.
So today guys, ang kami sa Intramuros.
Wala.
Ghost hunting.
Ghost hunting? Ayoko! Baliw. You're so baliw. Don't be baliw.
Mag-ghost hunting tayo! Ghost hunting guys! Yan na, makikita nyo kung saan na tayo.
Hi! Tumigil ka. You're not funny.
And guys, ang Intramuros para maglakad.
Para mag-eat. Nam.
Sabi ni Ate Lexi kanina, she's angry.
I'm angry at you.
Bakit?
Because I'm angry at
Explain mo
you.
why.
Because I want. Do I need a reason?
Yes, of course.
I just can't
Bakit ka
be.
magagalit ng walang reason?
Bakit ako hindi magagalit?
So bakit ka nga magagalit?
Bakit ako hindi magagalit? I should be mad.
Why nga?
I'm furious. I'm mad at you.
Bakit ka nga magagalit sa akin kung wala naman akong ginawa sa'yo, di ba?
Wala. Gusto ko lang.
That's unfair. You know, that's not
Hindi
fair.
tayo sali sa usapan.
It's not fair, bro.
They didn't
Kung
sali.
magagalit ka,
They
walang reason.
didn't sali us to their usapan.
Totoo, di ko rin magets ko ng topic nila, so gagawa kami ng sarili namin topic. Gagawa kami ng sarili namin topic kasi di namin sila magets. So, gagawa na namin sarili namin topic. Right, Ate Lexi? Nasa sa likod na. Nabackstab nila kami palibasa. Nasa likod namin sila.
Ito ang OA mo. You're so OA.
Kimi lang, guys.
I will edit this talaga.
Paano?
I-edit ko to, yung vlog. Pati yung last week.
Sige.
Pero nag-defense lang kami. Nag-defense kami, so wala talaga akong edit right now.
So, ayun guys, alam niyo ba guys? Sinakwento ko guys.
Ano
Alam niyo ba?
Hindi naman
dapat ako tutuloy ngayon.
Oh.
Kasi nga, hindi wala akong tulog kanina, tapos ang dami kong need gawin. Tapos kakatapos na ng finals na engineering, diba?
Ako din. Alam mo ba, kahapon, we had a lab, tapos nung pagkapunta ko, tapos na mag-check si sir, tapos sabi niya, babalikan niya kami. 7 yun. Bumalik siya, 9:30. Sabi niya, next week na lang.
Diba?
Tapos iniwan namin yung gawa namin.
Kasalanan pa namin kasi guys, na-late kami nag-midterm exam. Diba?
True.
Mag-engineering, super late ng exam, my God.
Like,
So,
lahat, bakasyon na kami,
Tapos, hindi.
nag-i-exam.
Magka-finals na, kaya tapos pa lang kami ng midterms namin.
Sobrang totoo. Bro, kakadepend na namin.
Magka-finals na kami niyan, pero kakatapos na ng midterm exams namin. Pero
Totoo.
parang quiz number 2 sa utilities na eh.
Yung dalawa pa lang yung quiz nyo.
Bro, quiz na pa lang namin sa utilities.
Sobrang true
Diba?
sa
Kasi hindi ko siya
engineering.
so, I don't know.
Presentation bukas. So, hindi na naman ako matutulog.
Discussion lang ako for tutorial.
I don't even know anong last subject ko. You know, ang crazy. Paano kung hindi pala nila tayo naririnig? Kasi like, you know, the road. So, lalagyan ko na lang ng subtitles.
Ganon.
Yeah,
So, effort, what the frick?
subtitles. Wala lang, para I have something to look back on.
Dati like soon. Kunwari, nonchalant lang. Tingnan mo, pero napaka-OA niya. Like as in, super OA niya. Tingnan mo, look at her.
Daming sinasabi, daming binubulong.
Diba? Hindi nga ako bumubulong.
Hindi sa layo pala.
Ayan sila.
Nice.
Isa sila guys.
Uy, oo eh.
Yung mga galing kumbento na ka-white and black.
Ano daw? What? Naway kayo ni Kit. Daming sinasabi. Naka-record lahat.
Pero di ba yung sinabi ganito talaga yan?
Oh.
May nakikita silang girl na di
May
malalayo.
maganda daw.
Grabe. Alam mo,
I'm scared.
Ano yung makasama sa video? Video na.
What?
Hi po, kung nanonood ka man. Say hi to, please.
Ikaw, manonood. Papanoorin mo to, di ba? Pag nag-vlog ako, papanoorin mo.
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Okay, send mo sa akin sa messenger na naka-HD ah.
Sisend ko yung link ng YouTube.
YouTube ka?
I want to YouTube.
Okay.
Send ko yung link. Dapat i-like mo lahat. Dapat mag-subscribe ka. Papanoorin mo siya lahat.
Okay, of course. Yeah.
Sabi mo yan, ah.
Look at her out. Good check.
Check.
Wala na yung tire ko. Kasi nga, nasira na siya.
Nasira na? Like for real?
Yeah, yung nag-club siyang gano'n. But it's okay. Pwede na naman pahil yun.
Grabe, I didn't expect. Dapat nagdala ako ng fan, nagdala ako ng panali sa buhok.
Diba?
Oh my gosh.
So, ayan guys.
Pag ito 1 hour walk again. You know, last time, hindi ako nag-vlog na sa UMAC because like, I don't know. Nag-start lang ako nung before, tas gusto ko muna siyang i-edit. Tas ngayon, I just want to vlog and then I'll just edit when I have time. So,
Bro,
running.
mumurahan na sila guys.
Sensor.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute.
Where are we? Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. I'm tired.
Don't you love won't take the time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time. Bathtub, we don't gotta rush now. Nothing to rush now. Life's in a slow mo, always in a slow mo. I still show.
Oh my God, okay.
Wait lang, anak. Ano mangyayari? PGCA. Ano ba nangyari nung sa butuhan?
PGCA mo
Di naman mababatahan ako ng PGCE eh.
Ay, achievement mo number 1. Okay. PGCA.
Okay, apa tayo?
PGCA.
PGCA,
Nakakabahan ako. PGCA, Mama Bear Manila Hotel. Anong simulan?
Kalaro kami
Nalaro ko na. PGCA, Mama Bear Manila Hotel. PGCA, Mama Bear Manila Hotel.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait lang!
External. External. BP external.
BP ng season ko.
BP external. Oh, mali ka. BP kami lahat eh.
Mama Bell, Manila Hotel.
PGCA, BP external.
Okay.
Okay. PGCA, Mama Bear Manila Hotel. BP. 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 BP.
Gets. I think gets.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
President.
External.
Aangat na kasi siya. So, ay president. Ang sabi mo? President ako. Kasi aangat siya. So, ayan. President.
Alam mo, bala na. Nagdakad ako ng nakamigas.
Nakapagis talaga siya.
Wait, mamaya. Pwede pa nga.
Ako, Alex.
I don't know. I want spicy. Ako din.
I'm gonna take a picture of it first.
Sino pang may extra dyan? Okay na kayo? Saan na lang kayo?